Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as of this video, this is a Motivation Monday video. And as you guys know, in Motivation Monday, we deal with specific motivational concepts and we elaborate on important points of those motivational concepts. As of this Motivation Monday, we will be dealing with why is it important to set goals and how to set them in a smart and efficient way. Now let us jump into why is it very important to set goals. Well, it is a rather pertaining, very interesting concept as to why it is very important to set goals. Well, there are some very important points. Well, the first point is setting a goal gives you focus. Well, if you have enough focus, then you can easily go towards your goal. And let me give you an example. Well, if you have a bow and arrow, and if you don't have any target, then how will you hit the arrow? Well, the goal is just like a target. You have to aim towards the target, and with certain focus, you can easily attain the target. Now, the next very important point is that you can compare progress. Well, when you set a goal, then you can compare the stages on the way to the goal and you can see where you are at the current moment. So, let me give you an example. Well, if I set my goal to become an engineer, then I can compare my status on each and every time frame. Well, as of now, I am in 12th standard and I have a certain group. Now, that is my current stage. I have a certain science group. That is my first goal. And as for the second goal, I can compare it with the first goal. Well, I have progressed this much. Well, I have got the college. So, I have progressed this much from my previous goal. Well, that is a certain point where you can compare two goals and you can define your progress. Now, as for the third and very important point, the setting your goals can prevent you from distraction. Well, distraction is a very major issue as of this latest generation. So as you can see, there are social media and television and many other channels so that you can get distracted very easily. But when you set a goal and you go towards it, then you can't get distracted. You just stay locked on towards that goal and you have certain focus towards that goal. And the last point, which is very important, is that setting your goals give you some kind of motivation. So if you have some motivation in towards that goal, then you can easily get towards your target and you can easily succeed in life. So any form of motivation can be obtained by setting your goals. Now you can see that why is it very important to set goals through these important points. Well, so the first one will be setting your goals gives you a better focus. Second one would be it prevents distraction. Third one would be you can measure your progress by setting your goal. And the fourth one and the last and very important point is that you are highly motivated and you can easily get successful when you set a goal. Now let me give you a very successful case study. According to Yale University, Yale University is a very popular university in the United States, and according to this case study, 100% of people participated, and within that 100%, only 3% of the people had their goals written down somewhere, and they could see it on a regular basis. Well, another 13% of people had their goals, but they didn't write it anywhere. So they just had their goals on their mind. So the third category of the people in this case study are the 84% of the people who didn't have any goals. They didn't have any form of goal and they didn't write it down anywhere. Well, now when we start comparing with their success rates, we observe that the top 3% people who had written their goals down had 3 times more success rate than the people who just had their goals in their mind. Listen to it very carefully. The people who had written down those goals had 3 times more success rate than those who had their goals in their mind. And as for the next category, the people who had written down goals had 10 times more success rate than the people who did not have any goals. So this can convey a specific message that if you have your goal, then you can have success, and if you have your goals written down somewhere so that you can constantly see that goal again and again, then you can get successful in a better rate. So that was a case study by Yale University. Now if you want to check out that case study, then very well go and check out Yale University case study on goals and you can see that results for yourself. Now moving on to the next concept, which is how to set goals. Now there is a specific method which you can follow to set your goals in a smart and efficient manner. Well, SMART is the concept. Now what is SMART? Well, SMART is the abbreviation for S, which stands for specific, M, which stands for measurable, A, which stands for attainable, R, which stands for relevant, and T is for time bound. So SMART are the goals which are specific, and measurable goals, attainable goals, they are relevant and they are time bound. Well, let us get into it in a detailed fashion. Well, the S in SMART stands for specific. Now you have to keep your goals in a very specific fashion so that you can get your goals in a clear way. Now the M in SMART means measurable. So your goals have to be in a measurable fashion. So the goal should be in a measurable way so that you can realistically see the goal. And A is attainable and your goals must be in some attainable form. And R is relevant. So if you have some interest in some case, then you can set your goals in a relevant way towards that interest. Now T is time bound. Now every goal must have a time frame, and hence this goal should also have a time bound frame where you can set a limited time interval within which you can complete the goal. It can be a short term, mid term or a long term goal. Now I have summarized some very important points on why is it very important to set goals and how to set them. Now let us see some of my friends' opinions on how to set the goals and why was it very important on their life towards their goal.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwat. I am a first year student at SRM University. I am doing my BTech in Mechatronics Engineering. Goal making is not a new concept to me. I've been doing it ever since I was in 10th standard. There have been a few tweaks and changes to it. The way I do it has been evolving constantly. But otherwise, it's almost the same. This might not apply for everyone. So I think that everybody should sit down and think about what they want to be first. The first thing I do after setting my goal is create paths to the goal. The way I do this is set tasks that I want to complete before each day. Creating tasks is important, but what's more important is making sure that these tasks are achievable. This is because having difficult tasks or setting the bar too high for yourself will only demotivate you further and decrease your productivity. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This is something I learned quite early on in my life, but unfortunately I wasn't mature enough to set it so that I maximize my efficiency. This is something I discuss in my weekly blog called Productivity, Creativity and Happiness, for which if you're interested you can find the link in the description below. But basically, goal setting is one of the most important and underrated steps in the process of success. It might not look like much, but the act of sitting down and writing what you want to be can act as the first step in your journey.
I'm Adityan. I'm currently a student of NIT Trichy. I started setting goals when I was a child. That thing came when I became conscious about how the things that I do can determine my outcome. So that started in like some first standard or UKG, I don't remember. I started imagining about how I can help people and how my work can influence the world. So that was the time I started setting goals in my life. The role that setting goals played in my life is humongous. Though I was always curious to learn many things, I was a slow learner. So it always took me time to assimilate the things the teachers had taught me. So it was always a difficult path for me to go since it took time and people stayed ahead of me. Without goal setting, I would not be in the place where I am now. So I always advise people to set proper goals in life. My suggestion is always be curious to explore and don't ever try to feel sorry for being curious. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sridhar Karumuri and I went to LMYS, the same school as Advait. The goals I had in the past mostly related to my academics in high school or even in sports sometimes. So I actually aimed to get into University of Texas in Dallas, and in sports I wanted to make the school basketball team. As I have taken the computer science stream, my goals side with some of those. One of my major goals for my career is become a consultant for investigative agencies like the CIA or the FBI. It's actually a pretty big goal to achieve, but that's what I'm aiming for. To achieve my goals in high school, it took a lot of hard work, as you probably know. It takes a lot of effort and time to put into it. But if I got through it, you guys can definitely go through it too. Once I think about it now, it's really not as hard as you think. And yeah, that's it. You just have to work hard. There's nothing else. If it's really a goal you want to achieve, you should be able to give everything for it. And I'm now in UTD, and goals. When it comes to academic goals, it was only until 11th or 12th standard that I started focusing on my more academic goals. Without me having specified the exact goals that I was looking for, it didn't exactly guide me towards the right point. As soon as I had a specific goal in mind, it was really easy to find the shortest path from where I was now and where I wanted to be. I think that's the thing about finding a goal for yourself. If you start to branch out too much, if you have too many goals, or if you have if you don't have a specific goal in mind, when your goal is extremely specific, it is pretty easy to find ways to achieve your goal the fastest, the smoothest way possible. That's all you're supposed to do, and this completely, I'm in UTD now. If I could do it, you could do it too. Trust me and believe in your goals.
So here's the
Thank you.
conclusion. Well, if you have seen the videos of them, then you can very well see that why is it very important to set goals and how to set them in a clearer fashion. Now, if you like the video, then please like. If you share, then it will be very supportive for me, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video with a new motivational concept and many more important points. See you guys.